So that's React Compiler. We will give you another update in 3 years, let you know how it's going. So as Satya demonstrated, React Compiler allows developers to continue writing the exact same code you're used to. In fact, as we saw, we can stop using manual memoization, so get even more clean and concise code. And as Mofe shared, React Compiler can deliver significant performance improvements to real-world applications. That slide is blank. Rick changed the slides last minute, so thanks. No, it's good, it's good. I like it. Now, we've tested and shipped React Compiler at Meta. And at this point, we need your feedback to help get it ready for widespread adoption. So I'm excited to share that today, we are open sourcing React Compiler and publishing yes. I'm not going to lie, 2 years building to this moment, it's been a lot of blood, sweat, and tears. Literally blood, like thinking about the compiler while going on a run, tripping, falling. Yeah, just like it's been a lot. So starting today, when you upgrade to React 19 RC, you can also install an experimental version of the compiler to get these same user experience wins without sacrificing developer experience. Installing the compiler is simple. There's a lot of complexity going on within the compiler, but to install it, it's just a Babel plugin. So install the Babel plugin. There's also an ESLint plugin that you can use, which will help to show if you have violations of some of the rules, like kind of an extended version of the current ESLint plugin. And again, just drop this into your Babel config. The compiler is definitely not done. This is an experimental release, so expect that there will be bugs or things that don't work. To help get the compiler ready for widespread adoption, we are also announcing that we're starting a React Compiler working group to collect high-signal feedback from a small group of early adopters. If you're interested in taking part, please see how to apply at the URL here. If you'd like to learn more about the compiler, we have 2 amazing talks scheduled. Later today, my teammate Lauren Tan will talk more about how to get started using the compiler in your app today. So if you're interested in trying out the compiler, highly recommend checking out Lauren's talk. And if you're a nerd like me and want to know how the compiler works, Mofe and Satya will be talking about that tomorrow. It's a really approachable talk. I highly recommend checking that out to kind of get more of an idea of how the compiler is actually doing this magic. Last but not least, this has been an incredible journey. As I said, 2 years of a lot of work. I'd like to thank my amazing teammates, Lauren, Mofe, Satya, Jason, Jan, he's here somewhere, and of course, Seth, who runs React at Meta. He helped to convince our leadership to fund this crazy effort and see the forest for the trees. That's it for now. Check it out, tell us what you think, and enjoy the conference.